Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Right now it feels like Bitcoin is going to zero, right? There's so much negative news out there. There's a ton of fear into the cryptocurrency markets. It feels like one thing after another, right? We have the German government selling all of their Bitcoin. Then all of a sudden we have Mt. Gox repayments starting to take place. And now we're getting news with jump trading. I'm going to be explaining what that is and what exactly is happening. It feels like all of these events that happened 2 years ago, right? FTX, we have Terra Luna, are now starting to come out and have these repayment processes take place. The lawsuits are starting to get to a settlement phase where a lot of repayments are starting to take place, and that is starting to draw down the cryptocurrency market. And so if you're interested, there is a link underneath the video to Week's Exchange. There is a trading competition going on right now where you can earn up to $19,000. This is going on for about another 16 days. This exchange is very simple to use. They have a lot of altcoin gems on here if you're interested. Now there is no KYC to sign up, and it just requires an email registration. Go ahead and take a look at the Fear and Greed Index here. We can see this is at 26. Now we have not seen these levels since about a year to a year and a half ago. And so we have seen a lot of greed in the markets. We have seen a lot of upside. We've been trading around $70,000, and now we're starting to see a lot of fear, right? However, this could become very good buying opportunities. And so just because the fear index here is at 26 does not mean go ahead and dump a ton of money into the cryptocurrency markets. We have to understand exactly what is going on. And so let's go ahead and take a look at that here. We have jump trading that has deposited Ethereum worth $231 million to centralized exchanges within 10 days. And so when we start seeing these investment firms here moving over cryptocurrencies to centralized exchanges, that means that they are trying to sell. And so this started happening about 10 days ago when they started moving cryptocurrencies to Binance and OKX. And so once they started making that transition, they are now starting to sell here during the weekend. We can see that Jump Crypto moves hundreds of millions in crypto as the prices slide. And so we can see down here that Jump has seemingly been in the process of redeeming what was over $500 million worth of Lido's Ethereum into Ether since July 25th, days after the US-based spot ETF launched on the 23rd. And so what is the reason for this? Why are they selling all of their cryptocurrencies? And so one of the things that I believe is happening here is that they are potentially getting to the end of a lawsuit here, and they are being asked to liquidate all of their funds. And so we can see here that Jump Crypto president here departs the firm. This happened on June 24th. And so obviously there was something bad going on here. There was a lawsuit going on against this firm here with Terra Luna. And so we can see that the SEC reaches $4.47 billion settlement with now bankrupt crypto firm Terraform Labs. And so Jump Trading here was involved with Terraform. And so we can see here that Jump Trading faces a lawsuit over the alleged $1.3 billion profit from Terra USD. And so they were trying to prop up the price of Terra USD to maintain the $1 value. And so they have been sued for that, and this was announced here on May 13th, and so I believe now they are coming to a resolution with that lawsuit, and they are being asked to liquidate all of their positions. And so we can see that here on Jump Trading on Arkham. We can see they have a lot of USDC here. And so they have been continuing to liquidate their positions. We can see this has gone up significantly. They had about $80 million in USDC, and now they are holding about $280 million. And so we can see here, they have been sending a lot of money over to exchanges. However, they have also been receiving a lot of money back from exchanges. We can see that here. Once they have made the sale of the Ethereum that they are selling, we have Coinbase and OKX and Binance sending money back to Jump Trading as USDC. And so we can see a lot of those payments there as well. And so this is what I think is happening in the markets. Once all of this fear and uncertainty blows over, we're going to start seeing more upside with Bitcoin, right? A lot of this has to get over. And so we're seeing a lot of those payments come out. We're seeing Mt. Gox make payments out. We're seeing the German government sell their cryptocurrency that they have acquired. We're also seeing now Jump Crypto here from the Terraform Luna Labs is now being liquidated. And so this is definitely creating a lot of fear in the markets, and we're seeing a major sell-off because of that. And so just keep that in mind, right? The cryptocurrency markets are going to be very volatile. There is no guarantees that this is going to go to $150,000. We could see Bitcoin drop down to $25,000 as a lot of these firms are being liquidated, as the lawsuits continue to go through. However, if I'm looking at the bigger picture here, I definitely think that Bitcoin is going to be around long term, and there's many altcoins out there that are going to provide a lot of benefits and growth to the world as it is today. And so that's definitely something to keep in mind. I'm going to continue to hold my positions. I am not selling because of this news. This does not scare me. I am definitely looking ahead. I'm looking at the bigger picture here. We're seeing a lot of large corporations get involved in cryptocurrency markets, right? We had news come out the other day that 56% of Fortune 500 companies are looking into cryptocurrencies and blockchain. And so that's definitely something to keep in mind, right? We're seeing a lot of adoption taking place. We're seeing politics really becoming pro-crypto. And so I think that's something very bullish. Now tomorrow we have another meeting with the Democratic Party to discuss cryptocurrencies. They are meeting with some of the largest firms and individuals in the cryptocurrency space, including Coinbase and Ripple and Stellar. And so I definitely think that's very bullish moving forward. And so we definitely have to get through a lot of these fearful events here, right? We don't know exactly what's going on, and so that can be fearful. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.